Today we're looking at a 2020 28-foot Boston Whaler Outrage. She's equipped with twin 350 Mercury Verados. Step aboard and take a look around. Rod holders on the transom. Tackle station with a live well. Sink. Do have a fold-out bench seat that will fold into the transom. Be nice and flush. Inside the door here, we have some pull-out trays for tackle. Have a little cooler there. Back around towards the console. Two nice helm seats. Raymarine hybrid touch chart plotter. Mercury electronic controls for your engines. Moving forward towards the bow, nice wide walkways. Big sun pad, storage under the sun pad as well for fishing equipment, lines, fenders. Coming back around, very nice integrated windshield with the hard top, all extremely rugged. Do have a head under the console. Nice large area down there. Also a good storage location. Back around to the hard top. Rod holders as well. Again, we're aboard a 2020 28 Boston Whaler Outrage located at MarineMax Fort Myers. Any additional questions, please call 239-481-8200. Thank you very much.